Here we are at the living seas. We can go inside and see what's inside there. Waves pressure.
Living seas. In a few moments, you will be entering the Earth's greatest frontier, the oceans. Before your adventure begins, consider for a moment the accomplishments of those courageous pioneers who have come this way before you. It was their insatiable curiosity and engineering skill that parted the ways for today's subsea explorers. Throughout history, we humans have faced many challenges in our quest to understand the living seas. To overcome darkness, pressure, and lack of air, we developed diving bells, aqualungs, and submarines, tools which gave us a closer look at our underwater world. With new knowledge, we built new tools, robots, and manned submersibles. Each advance in technology brought about the opportunity to explore further and to learn more, transforming vision, curiosity, and wonder into practical knowledge. This tool-building process has created a rich bounty of new ideas, from microchips to robotics, from rocket-powered spacesuits to computerized sailing ships. Virtually every aspect of our lives has been enriched by human innovation. And United Technologies is proud to play a leading role in aerospace, electronics, and in providing systems for intelligent buildings, committing the technology we create today to the exploration of new frontiers tomorrow. So come with us now to discover the sea, a resource so precious that our very existence depends on its health and well-being. A realm shrouded in mystery, yet possessing enormous potential for humanity. And now, from around the world, the men and women of United Technologies invite you to join us as we cross the threshold into the future of the living sea.
Step back and allow the doors to close. There's no need to overcrowd these Hydrolators. They will ride over 60 seconds to take you to Sea Base Alpha. You may now choose Hydrolators 1, 2, or 3 if they will allow you ready for boarding momentarily. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please do not overcrowd these Hydrolators. They can make a round trip every 60 seconds to Sea Base Alpha. Hydrolators 1, 2, and 3 will all be ready for boarding in just a moment.
Descending to Sea Base Alpha. Roger, number 2. Notify when cleared of docking port. Docking. Hydrolator number 2 in lockout chamber. Pressurize and prepare for guest arrival.
That's actually 34. Yes,
We're excited?
Yes.
Make sure to take your time. Watch your step as you're stepping onto the moving platform. For your safety, you might want to take hold of the handrails.
Yeah, go ahead, thanks.
Wouldn't this be a fun spot to go diving?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid I'll have to cut my welcome a little short, but I do hope you enjoy your visit to Sea Base Alpha.
A lot more fish than there was last time I was here.
beautiful coral reef community. We have quite a variety of marine life living within our base of operation, which is the largest of its class in the world. Now here we see everything from sharks to dolphins, monsters to smugglers. You might even spot a whale or two monkey
Please collect your belongings and step out to your right. The moving platform is traveling at the same speed as your vehicle.
Please gather your belongings and step out to your right. Your vehicle and the moving platform.
If you give Paul the thumbs up symbol, you'll know it's time for him to make his descent. 1, 2, 3, thumbs up. Now Paul's making a controlled ascent is very important for our health. We do not ascend any faster than 60 feet per minute. This does conclude this demonstration of the diver lockout chamber in
Jason, that's who I need. A remote-controlled submersible robot built to explore the world of the deep ocean. Say, before I take the plunge, why don't you look at those TV screens and I'll tell you more about them.
Yeah, it would be freshly frozen.
And because the weight of the water is so great, it could squeeze the largest fish to the size of a sardine. But that's okay. I'm built to work under pressure. Arty, arr. Oh, and unlike the scientists in those submersibles that have to come up all the time for supplies and oxygen, I can stay down for weeks on end. What's to do down there for that long? My built-in TV cameras will help scientists study deep water life forms, as well as let them get a look at strange and remote sea creatures stopping by. See you again, mateys. Shiver me diodes. Not me, just a 220.
How come they don't eat the other fish
We're in here now. We're in the Coral Reef restaurant, and hopefully he's going to come up to our window too. Take a little bit of the extreme blue out of this. What are you doing?
Hey, we've almost made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more great videos. I have around 700 videos on the channel so far. I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.
Everybody's waving.